Assalamualaikum my dear students, hopefully you'd be fine. This English language tutorial for grade 3 and the topic that we are going to do today it's paragraph writing. So now let's get started. And by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to speak about your next week plans. You will use simple future tense and at the end you will write short paragraph on the given topic. Let's have previous knowledge questions. What are your next week plans? And when do we use will in a sentence? What are your next week plans? Think about your next week plans, make up your mind, and now discuss how to make simple future tense. In simple future tense, we will use will and shall. Simple future tense will tell you that the action will happen in the future time. So now let's have some examples. I have a toothache. I will take some medicines. Let's take another example. Winter will come soon. Another one. I am afraid we will get wet. Another one. Summer will come soon. And the next one. When I arrive at home, I will call you. So you can see in all the examples we can see that they have used will. Will tell you that this action will happen in the future time. Let's have one more example. He will buy her a present. This sentence is telling you that this action will happen in future. You can practice these blanks at home in a rough notebook for your better understanding. So now let's come to the point. The topic that we are going to do today is my plans for next week. So, before doing the work, make up your mind, make your ideas, think about the idea that you are going to discuss in the paragraph. Maybe you are going to visit your grandmother's house next week, maybe you're going for a trip, maybe you're going to paint something, or you're going to attend somebody's wedding ceremony or a birthday party, or you are planning to watch a movie. So these all are the ideas you can think about your own ideas and you can discuss those ideas while writing the paragraph. How are you going to prepare the page? The date is 19 January 2021. Write down the classwork in the middle and then you will write down the day. After preparing the page, and don't forget to draw 2-finger gap margin line. After that, you are going to write down the topic in focus, and we are having paragraph writing, and under the category of paragraph writing, we are going to write a paragraph on the topic, my plans for next week. You have to write 5 to 7 sentences and you can use these words while making the sentences. In the vocabulary bank, we have some words like visit, grandmothers, grandfathers, house, friends, attend, uncle or aunt, movie or watch. So class, let's discuss today's task. Today's task is that you are going to write a short paragraph on the topic, my plans for next week, and you have to use simple future tense in your notebooks. So this was your tutorial. Hopefully it will help you while doing the work. Time to say goodbye. Stay safe and healthy. Allah Hafiz.